Good morning, my little sunshine.
Mommy, I sleepy.
Guess where we go today?
Where? Where, Mommy? We go to the beach, sweetie.
Yay! Beach, beach!
Are you ready, Vi?
Ready, Daddy. Go now!
Eat your breakfast, sweetie.
I want to go beach!
Finish your milk first, okay?
Okay, Mommy. Yum, yum.
All done, my little helper?
All done, Daddy.
Look, our big beach bag.
So big, Mommy.
We need towels for the sand.
I help, Mommy.
Sunscreen keeps your skin safe.
Safe from sun.
A hat for my little princess.
Pretty hat. Look, Mommy.
How do I look, Vi?
Funny, Daddy. My bucket. My shovel.
Snacks for our little tummy.
Apples. Yummy, yummy.
All packed, Vi. Let's go!
Go, go, go.
Sandals on. Ready, Vi?
Ready, Mommy.
Time to see the sea! Big bag goes in the car.
My bucket too, Daddy.
Yes, your bucket too.
Click. All safe, Vi.
I'm safe, Mommy.
Good morning, Auntie. Have fun at the beach.
Hold on tight, sweetie.
Yay! Beach time. Wow, so many trees.
Yes, V. Look at the houses.
Wow, houses too.
We're almost there.
Are you happy, my Vi?
I'm happy, Mommy.
Look, V, the sea.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Yay! I see it, Daddy. See, so big, so blue.
Yes, it's beautiful, V.
I love sea, Mommy.
We are here, Vi.
Down, please, Daddy.
I smell the sea air.
Come, hold my hand.
Walk, walk, walk.
Hear the waves, Vi?
I hear, Daddy. Whoosh. Look, Mommy. What's this?
That's a little seashell.
Wow, so big.
Yes, V. It's a huge beach.
And look at the beautiful ocean.
That's the big blue sea, V.
Big blue sea.
feels so nice and warm.
Sand is warm.
Feel the soft sand, V.
Soft, soft, Mommy.
Look at our footprints.
I see, Daddy. I fly. Wee!
My little airplane.
Mommy, kiss again.
Look, so many shells.
Pretty, Daddy. I find one.
Good job, my little explorer.
More shells, more.
Big shell for you, Vi.
So big. Wow. 1, 2, 3 shells.
Wow, you have many shells.
Lots and lots, Mommy.
Now let's see the water.
Okay, Daddy. Look, wave coming. Oh, go, Daddy.
It's okay, V. It's gentle.
Don't be scared, sweetie.
Wave too big, Mommy.
I hold you, my brave girl.
I'm brave, Daddy. Tickles.
Ready for another dip?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, here we go.
Hee hee. I do it. I do it.
Yay! So brave, my V.
Mommy, I'm brave.
Have a safe day, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sea is my friend now.
It is a beautiful sight.
So peaceful and vast.
Here is a perfect spot.
Yes, soft sand for us.
Big umbrella for our shade.
Like a flower, Daddy.
Our beach bed, my V.
So soft.
Sunscreen on your cute cheeks.
Cold, Mommy. Now I play, please.
Let's build a sandcastle.
Sandcastle, yay.
Come, let's go over there.
Okay, Daddy.
Let's start building.
Yay, sandcastle.
Pat the sand down hard.
Pat, pat, pat.
Shells for our castle, V.
Pretty, Mommy.
Ta-da! Our first tower.
Wow, magic, Daddy. One more tower. Pat, pat.
Press one shell like this.
Press, press, press.
Look, our beautiful castle.
I made it, Daddy. Look, Mommy, birds.
Yes, those are seagulls.
Hello, little birdies.
They fly so high, V.
Bye-bye, birdie.
Ice cream. Fresh ice cream. Oh, great. I'll have one. What flavor would you like? Chocolate, please.
Ice cream, please, please.
3 ice creams, please.
Coming right up, sir.
Pink ice cream, yummy.
Oh, ice cream on your nose.
Cold, Mommy.
Walk slowly, V. No drips.
Okay, Daddy.
Wipe, wipe, my sweet V.
Yummy, Mommy.
Ready to jump the waves?
Yes, jump high, Daddy. Hey, again.
Okay, here comes the wave.
Whee! It's fun.
You did it. Ready for more?
Yes, again.
One more big jump.
Yay! Yay! Look at my happy family.
We are hungry, Mommy.
Big hungry, Mommy.
Sandwich and watermelon for you.
I love watermelon.
So good after the waves.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
A pretty shell for you, dear.
Thank you, Grandma.
One more pretty shell, sweetie.
Last one, Mommy. My best shell ever.
Time to head home soon.
No, Daddy. Stay more.
Look at the sunset first.
Sun going to sleep.
The sun goes to bed.
Such a beautiful day, Bella.
It is. I love watching the sunset with you. All our things ready?
Yes, let's go home.
Bye-bye, beach. Bye-bye, sea. See you again, sea.
Time to go home, family.
I'm tired, Daddy.
Hold your shell, sweetie.
I hold tight, Mommy. I sleepy, Daddy.
My little one.
Sweet dreams, my V.
Good night, Mommy.
Our Vi is sleeping.
I will carry her in.
Good night, my sandy princess.
Good night, Mommy.
What a perfect day, love.
Best day ever, Bella.